Investing in cryptocurrency can be daunting for the uninitiated, but with a coin market worth an estimated $3 trillion US, many have seen the volatility in the market as a sign to jump in instead. Knowing how to make use of this volatility can be difficult for newcomers. To simplify entry, Matrixport, a Singaporean-based platform, was built. Its app offers structured investment products that automate the process of crypto investing so you can start earning with crypto without being a specialist. Here are 5 ways the app simplifies crypto investing for its users. Matrixport offers 2 different dashboards, Lite and Pro. Lite has a simpler layout that presents a limited selection of its key products in an easy-to-understand way. The main page displays the fixed income offerings, the option to buy crypto, and a small list of advanced investment services that will take you to the Pro dashboard when you tap on them. You can also trade your tokens in the app, and there's a decent list of coins to choose from, such as XRP, Doge, Polkadot, and more, on top of the popular Bitcoin, Ethereum, USDT, and USDC. Part of the Lite offering on Matrixport are fixed income products, a low-risk wealth management service that rewards you with returns on your investments after a set amount of time. Using fixed income requires you to lock in some of your crypto for anywhere between 8 to 90 days. During that time, Matrixport will invest your money into its self-operated loans. From that, you'll earn back investments plus interest, like fixed deposits in a bank. Your payoff amount will be shown to you in the form of percentages before you purchase, so you know exactly what your yields are at the point of maturity. Switch over to Pro mode and you can try the DeFi features to earn passive income as well. DeFi is an umbrella term for a variety of crypto instruments aimed at disrupting financial intermediaries that function under banks or centralized finance, as they're known. There are plenty of DeFi products in the app that offer another way to earn annualized yields, such as the DeFi Smart Pool liquidity mining. With liquidity mining, you lend your cryptocurrency to the platform to be used as loans and funding third-party liquidity mining projects. From there, you gain returns in the form of interest. This way, your crypto funds function like a bank loan to these projects. Traditionally, dual currency investing lets you take advantage of the relative differences in 2 different currencies. On Matrixport, you invest in different crypto assets instead and profit the same way. This short-term product secures your yields at the time of purchase, but offers payouts in one of your chosen currencies. But regardless of which currency the payout settles on, you still earn from the interest. The app discloses information like risk and potential returns based on different tenures and prices, so you get to make informed decisions when you invest. Plus, you can adjust your investments according to your risk tolerance. Keeping with its aim of simplifying the process of crypto investment for users, there's also the BTCU range sniper feature that allows you to enter the market at the right time. The feature automatically calculates the differences in spot, options, and settlement prices, then deploys your stablecoins to purchase bitcoins at the cheapest price. Though the figures are updated occasionally, users can earn between 6% to 200% annualized yield in either stablecoin like USDT, USDC, or Bitcoin, depending on the price upon settlement. If settlement is above the range, the minimum annual percentage yield, or APY, of 6% is paid in USDC. If settlement is below, the principal will be converted to Bitcoin, with a minimum guarantee of 6% APY. If the settlement price falls within the range, investors can earn up to 200% APY in USDC. Range Sniper is targeted at users who want short-term, high-yield returns, and those who don't mind taking on higher risk. When you first sign up for Matrixport, the platform gives you 1,288 USDC to try out the dual currency or fixed income products to generate your first bit of revenue from the app. If users purchase fixed income products with 30% APY, you also get a cash rebate of $15. Exclusively for new users, the fixed income service offers a portfolio with a 30% APY on an 8-day tenure portfolio. That's a significant percentage of annual returns, considering the usual 0.5% to 9.5% range. Having said all that, Matrixport is not a licensed platform in Malaysia, and the coins being offered in some of the investment products are limited. The people behind Matrixport consist of BITMAIN alumni, which include former head honcho Jihan Wu, whose team made BITMAIN into the world's largest supplier of crypto mining equipment and chips. Jihan has also made Matrixport a unicorn, just 2 years after its inception. With a $5 billion monthly trading volume, the platform is one of the most active in the region. So there's some assurance there for beginners as they start crypto investing with Matrixport.